How to view someone's Facebook story without them knowing. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can view someone else's Facebook story without letting them know on Facebook. Now, if you open up the Facebook app here, you'll get the various stories option. However, if you view into the story right here, the thing is, they'll be notified that you have viewed the story. You can know who has viewed your story by simply heading to the viewers here, and you can see I can see the viewers that have viewed my story. Similarly, they'll be able to see who has viewed this story, and if you have viewed it, they'll be able to know. Now, if you wanna view the Facebook story without letting them know, what you wanna do is first head into your app store and download the app called Story Saver. Simply search in for Save Story option on Play Store and then download this app called Story Saver. Now you can see I've downloaded it. Open it up and you'll get an interface like this. Now what you want to do is to download stories, log in with your Facebook account. You can see option right here. Now what you want to do is tap on login and log into your account. Now I'll just log into my account quickly here. Once you log in to Facebook, you can see you'll get the option to watch Facebook video or watch Facebook stories secretly. You can see the download stories option right here on the screen, and you can see watch secretly option right here. Now make sure to toggle this switch on. You can see it's a premium feature and you need to go premium in order to view stories secretly. So this is the only way you can view stories without letting them know. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.